Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video we will learn how to use Windows 11. If you are new to Windows 11 and if you have recently downloaded and installed Windows 11, or if you bought a new PC or laptop with Windows 11, then you can go through these videos which Microsoft has released recently. And these are the learning videos to learn Windows 11. Now you can learn about all of the features and functions that the operating system has to offer. Microsoft has recently published 3 tutorial videos from the Meet Windows 11 series. I'll give you guys the link in the description. Simply click on the link and it will take you to the page where you will find those 3 videos. So I have already opened it, and as you can see, Meet Windows 11 new video series helps with basics, personalizations, app and tools. So we'll click on the first video and there will be a link you can click on and it will take you to a page where you will see the video, and there will be some keyboard shortcuts also to navigate in Windows 11. So you can play this video on your computer. I'll just show you.
Hey, so on my new laptop, I'm juggling homework, work, friends, and my side hustles. Here's 5 things that help me in Windows 11. Okay, search for everything. Just type what you want to find. Files, websites, pictures, anything. It's just faster. I'll look up dinner ideas.
Okay, and we will check the second video now. So on the same page you will get the link for the second video also, and it will say second video. Simply click on it. I will just right click and will open it in a new tab. So you can just click and watch it. And even this page has some information you can go through which will help you to use Windows 11.
Hey y'all, I found some cool new shortcuts in Windows 11 that I want to share with you. Let's go. When you're in Microsoft Edge, up here, this little thing, that's collections. I use it to keep track of everything. If I'm writing a paper, I'll put all my sources in a collection, like...
Okay, now we will try the third video. And we'll click on the third video and I'll open it in a new tab. So basically this video will help you in apps and tools.
Hey, I'm back to share some of the new things I've learned about in Windows 11. Okay, check it out. So I take a lot of photos and then I sync them straight to OneDrive. And here they are, right in the
You can check at the left hand side there, you will find all 3 videos at the left hand side. You can play the first one, the second one and the third one from those links. Like, it will tell you about the basics of Windows 11. So there is the second video and the third video. So I'll give you guys a link. I just wanted to share this information with you because it will help lots of people to learn Windows 11. So that's it in this video. Thank you very much for watching. You have a great day, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.